Hey there, my amazing subscribers! Welcome back to my channel, where today we are diving into the intriguing world of academic success. If you've ever wondered what it takes to become a superstar student, then this video is tailor-made for you. I've gathered 5 incredible tips that will unravel the secrets of achieving greatness as a student. So let's jump right in. Tip 1: Setting goals for success. The first step towards becoming a successful student is to set clear and actionable goals. Think of these goals as your roadmap to success. Without a clear direction, it's easy to lose focus and get sidetracked. So grab a pen and paper, and let's start mapping out your future. Now, I'm not just talking about generic goals like get good grades. We need to be specific here. Break down your larger goals into smaller, manageable milestones. This way, you'll have a sense of progress and reward along the way. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Tip to mastering effective study habits. Okay, folks, here's the deal: studying doesn't have to be boring. In fact, it can be quite enjoyable if you know the right techniques. Let's dive into the world of effective study habits and discover how you can make the most of your study sessions. First things first, find the study environment that works best for you. Some students thrive in complete silence, while others prefer a bit of background noise. Experiment, find your sweet spot, and create a study corner where you feel inspired and focused. Tip 3: Time management, the key to success. We all know the feeling of time slipping away, leaving us scrambling to complete assignments or study for exams. That's why tip number 3 is all about mastering the art of time management. Trust me, it's a game changer. Start by creating a schedule or a to-do list to stay organized. Prioritize your tasks and allocate specific time slots for studying, assignments, and relaxation. Remember, balance is key. Make sure to include breaks and leisure activities in your schedule to avoid burnout. Tip 4: Staying motivated, ignite your inner fire. Motivation, that elusive spark that keeps us going when things get tough. But fear not, my friends, because in tip number 4, I'll be sharing some powerful strategies to reignite your inner fire and stay motivated throughout your student journey. One of the most effective ways to stay motivated is by surrounding yourself with positive influences. Find a study buddy or join a study group to keep each other accountable and inspired. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. Tip 5: Embracing growth mindset. Last but certainly not least, we have the magical concept of a growth mindset. This mindset is all about embracing challenges, learning from failures, and believing in your ability to improve. Get ready to unleash your full potential. Instead of viewing mistakes as setbacks, see them as opportunities for growth. Approach every challenge with a positive attitude and a hunger for knowledge. Remember, success is not about being perfect. It's about constantly striving to become a better version of yourself. And there you have it, my incredible viewers, the keys to becoming a successful student. I hope these tips have inspired you to take charge of your education and unlock your true potential. Remember, each day is a new opportunity to learn, grow, and achieve greatness. So go out there, embrace the journey, and make yourself proud. Now it's your turn to shine. Share your favorite tip or any other valuable advice you have in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on future motivational content. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars, my superstar subscribers. Stay awesome!